Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. Conventional loan limits have now gone up to $750,000. They were at $726 over the last year. So obviously values have risen if now the loan limits are going to go up. $750 is not the final number. We'll know more around Thanksgiving what that final number will be. We know it's going to be at least $750 because that's what all the lenders are accepting. They're going to close these loans, and when they go to sell them in the secondary market to Fannie and Freddie, they know that it's going to be at least $750,000. If not, they're going to be in big trouble. This is positive for the market. Remember, we were supposed to be seeing values come down. That's what everybody was saying, right? I wasn't. Go back and look at my videos. I just reposted one from exactly a year ago where I was talking about just that. Values are not going to go down. I was wrong this year about mortgage rates. I thought they would come down sooner, be maybe in the 5s and 6s through the summer. Now we're up in the 8s. Rates will come down. It's just a matter of when. For now, you keep waiting. Values are going to keep rising. You're going to be in a worse position than taking a mortgage now at a higher rate if you can afford it, if you can qualify for it. But waiting is worse. Watch my next video on the cost of waiting. Mortgage Nerd out.